C6 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one is a 2009 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents, actual mile car. Of course, 2009, the 6.2 liter LS3 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission in this car. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note that the AC does not blow cold. Heater does blow hot. Take a look at the front fascia. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. There's some little pebbles, imperfections here and there. Jetstream blue. Ebony interior, black fabric top is a power top. I'm going to get into a little quirk about that here in just a bit. Tell you some more about this car, but first, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can look at the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down, cargo area. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, and that can be done at 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome Corvette wheels. Radial tires. Now, the tech did note the tires, just due to age wear, they are going to need to be replaced sooner than later, and also noted at that time you may want to do the outer tie rods also. So give you a little heads up on that. A few other things I kind of want to point out in this car. This car is priced accordingly. If you want to get into a C6 vet without breaking the bank, definitely listen, check this one out. Again, a few quirks I'm going to announce, but it is priced accordingly. One we have here on a consignment. Miles on it, 111. 902 at the moment. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see up top here, no major nicks, dings, scratches. I mean, paint shows decent. Again, considering age and miles. Down below, there may have been a little lift air, and I don't know if I can get it to show up. You'll be able to see it in the underside pics, but there's a spot where the fiberglass was scuffed. It's right here, and touched up, and also one on the driver's side. And I'll get into that and point those out when we get around to the other side too. Again, cosmetic. It's not going to affect how this car drives, handles, anything like that. Of course, bucket seats, center console. I have the accessories on because I'm going to show you the top going up and down here in a bit too. Radio is working. That's an Alpine aftermarket stereo system. Car's just in accessory mode. Coming around to the rear, you can see center dump exhaust. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Deck lid, paint on it. Has a decent shine to it, but there's areas where you can kind of see it does show its age a bit. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Brakes are 60% front and rear. If you like these C6s, or maybe just like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And again, you can see this driver's side. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. That one imperfection mentioned earlier down below here. And again, there you can kind of see it where they've scuffed into the glass and has been touched up. And I have a couple angle shots from those lower rockers in with the still pictures, so check that out. This is a good sounding car. It has a robust exhaust on it, and we will start it up. Let's hear it run. But first, let's take a peek at the interior. And like I said, we're gonna look underneath the hood, check out the engine bay, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, all functioning, power seat, cruise functioning. And you can see there's not a ton of wear on that seat of the bolster. Of course, the steering wheel controls. Tech also noted tire pressure monitor sensor does have a light on. Again, doesn't affect the drivability of this. Jason's going to take it for a drive at the very end of this video, show you how it drives out. And you're going to notice that now. Right there, tire monitor, service it. Again, doesn't affect the drivability of it. Just going to tell you if the tire is low or not. Hey, do it the old-fashioned way. Check them with an air pressure gauge. How about that? All right, reset that. There's your exact miles, 111,902. No other check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. That's just the seat belt. I don't have that on. But listen to this V8. Yeah, nice sounding LS3, Alpine stereo system working, electronic dual climate control. Pop that hood so you can check out that engine bay in a second. Slip around to the back here. Again, nice deep throaty exhaust note. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this engine bay. Hood liner. Looking good and very clean engine bay. There it is. That LS3, 6.2 liter, the big dog that everybody wants in the spotty style. I should say the upgrade from the LS2. You can get bigger and badder, but was a bump in horsepower from the 2 to the 3, of course. And again, priced accordingly. A lot of bang for the buck with a C6. All right, power top. I want to mention this because I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to put it up. Power top does work, but it wants to catch on this tonneau cover, so you just have to barely hold that tonneau cover up that extra little bit, let the top up. So I'm going to show you how that functions. We'll check out the condition of the power top, and then as always, stick around to the very end of this. Jason's going to take it for a drive and show you how it goes down the road. And the power top up. So you got to know the little trick to hold the door kind of back out of the way so it clears. All right, so black cloth. Little wear spot from when it's caught on there going up and down or just brushed against it. Side glasses up, nice tight fit. And you can see it as a tinted window, so know your local and state laws as far as the tinting. Kind of the same way on the rear one. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes in the top. You need it to keep you out of the sun or a shower, going to serve its purpose just fine. And hey, seriously, how many times is the next owner going to drive this car with the top up? Passenger side glass also fits nice tight fit above the windshield. 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Remember, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I will show you the top going back down and how it functions and how to get it back down. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Stick around just a little longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive too after I show you the top going down. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2009 Chevrolet Corvette in a very nice metallic blue. I really don't see that many blue ones. This is a convertible and I do have the top up today. On the dash there is a tire service monitor light, but the tires are inflated properly and we're ready to roll. This is a 6-speed manual for the most fun, especially in a Corvette. And you don't really have to, I mean, I got through 4th gear because the acceleration is very good, and I'm doing the speed limit now. In 6th gear, at 55 miles an hour, I got almost 1,200 RPM, nice and low, easy on the engine, easy on the miles per gallon, if you care about that sort of thing. Alpine touchscreen stereo in the dash.
That's ridiculous. My wife makes love to me, there's always a reason for it.
That is working as it should. I got some heat blowing today, as it's a little chilly out in Minnesota. Nice leather bucket seats, leather on the shifter, leather on the steering wheel. Looking very good. Such a nice rumble, and now the deceleration rumble is the greatest on this car. That's why I did it. Going to second for the circle here. Corners the way a 2009 Corvette should, very well, nice and flat. Well, that's only 3,000 RPM, and we're getting really good acceleration and a great exhaust note. This is a power top. You don't even have to get out and raise or lower your top. Just push the button, comes up and down by yourself. You don't see that in every Corvette either. A well-optioned 2009 Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.